Hey Sam, what's wrong?
I'm just real bummed I got an F on the stats test.
Oh, you want to be good at stats like me?
Yeah?
Well, I'd be glad to tutor you, Sam. What do you need to know?
Well, I really am struggling with the conditions for chapter 14.2.
Oh, those are really hard to memorize, but with a little help, I'm sure you can get those down.
Thanks, man.
I love you, man.
I love you too.
Sam, are you ready to learn about chapter 14-2?
Yeah.
Well, 14-2 is really easy to learn. There's only one word you need to remember.
No, what's that?
Linear.
Linear?
Linear.
What's
In
that?
fact, the first L in linear stands for linear. What's linear, Sam?
I don't know. You tell me.
Linear is whenever the points on your scatter plot all form a line.
Wow.
Do you know what a line is, Sam?
Please explain.
A line is something straight and rigid and rough.
Wow.
Okay. Independent. I stands for independent. You know what's independent? I am, now that I'm 18. I can live all by myself. But independence in statistics is when n times 10 is less than the population size. Do you understand what a population is, Sam?
What's a population, Mr. Will?
A population is what you take a sample out of.
Oh.
It is the large thing that we take our small sample out of.
Okay.
The N in linear stands for normal. Do you know what normal is, Sam?
Not you.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not normal. But you know what is normal?
What?
Statistics that whenever you multiply the sample size times the probability and it's greater than 10, and whenever you multiply your sample size times 1 minus the probability and it's greater than 10, that means that your statistic is normal and it has a bell-shaped distribution. Very good, Sam. I'm glad we're making progress. The E in linear stands for equal variance. Do you understand what equal variance is, Sam?
Yeah, I think I got it.
You silly goose. You don't know what equal variance is. Equal variance is whenever the standard deviation is constant. Do you understand what constant is, Samuel?
What's constant?
Constant is whenever everything is going in a similar pattern. And the A in linear is and. Do you know what and is, Sam?
No, tell me what and is.
And is a conjunction frequently used in the English vernacular. Isn't that right, Sam?
Sure.
You silly goose. The R in linear stands for random. Whoa! You know what's random, Sam?
No, what's random?
Jehoshaphat! That's random.
That was quite random.
Huh. It just came out of my mouth. That's randomness. But whenever you have a statistic, randomness is whenever you have a simple, random sample. What makes a sample simple and random? A statistic is simple and random whenever the problem tells you so, or you generate numbers from your random digits chart, or whenever you plug it into the calculator. Isn't that a goofy deal? Ha! Well, Sam, did that get through your thick skull? This is why you're failing stats. Pay attention next time.
Sorry.